In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Vimeo video on Behance. Adding video content to your Behance projects is a great way to make your portfolio more interactive and visually engaging. Whether you're showcasing animation work, motion graphics, product presentations, or creative edits, embedding a Vimeo video directly into your Behance project can help your work stand out and create a more professional viewing experience. To get started, open Vimeo in your browser and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one at no cost. Vimeo is widely used by creatives because it offers clean video hosting and professional playback quality, making it perfect for portfolio presentations. Once you're signed in, upload the video you want to display on Behance. Make sure the video is fully prepared and ready to share publicly before moving forward. After the upload is complete, check the privacy settings for the video. It's important to set the video visibility to either public or unlisted. If the video remains private, Behance won't be able to display it correctly after embedding. Next, open the uploaded video on Vimeo. Around the video player area, you'll find the option to share or embed the content. Locate the embed code and copy it to your clipboard. This code is what allows the Vimeo player to appear directly inside your Behance project without requiring visitors to leave the page. Now switch over to Behance and sign into your account if you haven't already. Open the project where you want the Vimeo video to appear. You can either create a completely new project or edit an existing one, depending on where you want to place the video within your presentation. Inside the Behance project editor, look for the option to add media content. Choose the Embed Media block, since this section is specifically designed for adding external content like videos. Once the media block appears, paste the Vimeo embed code you copied earlier. After pasting the code, Behance will automatically convert it into a working embedded video player. This makes the video viewable directly on your project page, creating a smoother and more professional experience for your audience. You can also resize or reposition the embedded player to better match the layout of your project. Adjusting the placement carefully helps the video blend naturally with your images, text, and other design elements. Before publishing, preview the entire project to make sure the video displays correctly and fits nicely within the overall layout. Once everything looks good, click Publish if it's a new project, or Update if you're editing an existing one. And that's it. Your Vimeo video is now embedded directly into your Behance project, giving your portfolio a more dynamic and polished presentation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.